The effect of the garlic in the penis. It will surprise you. Erection problems can disappear by taking garlic. Approximately 75% of men with cardiovascular risk have associated an alteration in their erection. That is, when a man begins to suffer impotence or erection problems can be a warning sign. You may be developing cardiovascular disease, diabetes, etc. The explanation is very simple. Vascular damage is first manifested in the smaller arteries, in this case those of the penis, which have a smaller diameter and become more easily obstructed, making this difficult to a greater or lesser extent the erection, which ultimately consists in which the penis is filled with blood. It is for this reason that it is very important that professionals are aware that we are not only facing a sexual pathology. Erection problems can come from other major problems or other problems. A complete review is imperative since heart disease is not the only problem that may be betraying erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction can be the first symptom of diabetes, hypertension or an alarm for you to lose weight. About 70% of patients suffering from erectile dysfunction are also obese. Recommendations: 1. When there is a problem of these characteristics, it is important to go to our specialist, even if it is ashamed. 2. An important university in UK a few months ago did a study with 6 men with sexual impotence or erection problems and recommended a healthy diet rich in nutrients and vitamins, as well as in just 6 heads of garlic a day, for its great cardiovascular benefit. Everyone had a very positive result, although their partners claimed that it was quite disgusting because of the strong smell of garlic, but they were very happy because it really worked. 3. To avoid the typical disadvantages of garlic, such as bad breath, we recommend 100% organic garlic concentrate products. Like the pills they sell in herbalists. What benefits does garlic bring to you? As is known, garlic has multiple properties. Many more than we can imagine. 1. It strengthens cardiovascular health. 2. It contributes to the maintenance of the health of the cardiovascular system. 3. Coadjuvant in the management of hypertension. 4. Helps reduce cholesterol levels, blood pressure and platelet aggregation. And along etc.